Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, in a 3-digit number, the hundreds digit is twice the tens digit, while the units digit is thrice the tens digit. Also, the sum of its digit is 18. Find the number. Let the 3-digit number be XYZ, with here Z as units digit, Y as tens digit, and X as hundreds digit. Now, from given information, here we have given the hundreds digit is, that is X, is twice the tens digit. So it is 2y. Suppose this is equation number 1. Now, after that we have given units digit, that is Z, is thrice the tens digit. So it is 3y. Also, we have given the sum of the digits, that is X plus Y plus Z is 18. Suppose this is equation number 3. Now we can find the values of X, Y and Z by substituting 1 and 2 in 3. So from 1, 2 and 3, this X is 2y plus Y as it is plus Y is 3y equals to 18. So it is 6y equals to 18. Now divide both the sides by 6, we get y equals to 18 by 6 means 3. So from 1 and 2 we can find X and Y as X equals to 2 into Y, that is X equals to 2 into 3, that is 6, and Z equals to 3 into 3, that is 9. Hence, the required the required 3-digit number is X is 6, Y is 3 and Z is 9, that is 639.